Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today for our number talk, we are approximating the product of 24/37 and 300. Now, when we approximate, it means we don't need the exact answer. This wavy equal sign here kind of gives us a clue there, and it means we could just estimate. So I need two friendly numbers that are easy to work with. 300 is fantastic. It's a multiple of 10, multiple of 100. It's a nice, even, round number. It's this 24/37 that's a little bit tricky. So let's see if we can change that. Now, that's a pretty big numerator. So one way or the other, I am going to want to simplify this. Hopefully we see that if we change this denominator to 36, take a look what happens. We have 24 over 36. And hopefully we're thinking, well, that's pretty big. But look, what's the largest factor that divides into both 24 and 36? Well, 12s. Right? 12 times 2, 12 times 3. And when we simplify, we are going to divide by a fraction that's equal to 1 that has the same numerator and denominator, but that is the largest factor. So 24/36 is just an equivalent fraction of 2/3. And if I wanted to think, okay, 2/3 of 300, that's a lot easier. Now, of. Of means multiply, right? Okay, so I'm going to multiply these two. And if I wanted to multiply, right, we need to make it 300 over 1, because that's what that means. It's 300 ones, 300 wholes. And now I can multiply straight across. 2 times 300 will just double 300. You have 600. And then you've got 3 times 1. That's just going to make 3. So 600 divided by 3. Well, 3 goes into 6 twice, and then you've got the 2 extra zeros. 200. Now, that's one way to think of this. Another way to think of this would be to figure out, okay, what's my unit fraction? So what's 1/3 of 300? And I could multiply. Hopefully, most of us remember that if you multiply by a fraction, that's the same thing as dividing by its reciprocal. So 300 divided by 3, that's pretty simple. That's 100, which is 1/3. I need 2/3. All I need to do is double that, right? I need to take another 100, and there we go. By the way, my answer is approximately 200.